I wanna share my screen with you. Click on the link, it's all you got to do.
Welcome to Wat Pho in Thailand, Bangkok. Before we go in, there are the streets, there are the shops. You can eat here. The prices are very affordable, and even if you don't speak their language, they have pictures, you point, and they will bring it.
Okay.
Usually they're fast.
Now I'm gonna visit the Reclining Buddha.
I recommend wearing comfortable clothes as it's gonna be humid all year round.
This place is so cheap, it's 100 baht, it's just like $2.50.
Wat Pho is a Buddhist temple. It's also known as the Reclining Buddha. The official name is too long,
Thank you.
so let's just stick to Wat Pho or Wat Pho. Both have the same meaning.
There's a place here to do massage or to learn how to do massage. I guess I misunderstood. And there's a place here to learn how to do massage. So I'm gonna finish early and go have myself a massage.
The ashes of King Rama I are still in this temple. He rebuilt the temple complex on an earlier temple site. The temple was later expanded and extensively renovated by King Rama III. The temple has the most complex and largest collection of Buddha images in Thailand, including, of course, the 46-meter long reclining Buddha. This place has been recognized by the UNESCO. You'll find here the school Thai medicine, also the birthplace of the traditional Thai massage, which is still taught and practiced in the temple.
I'm just staying in front of the fan. I can't anymore, it's too hot. Mostly too humid. This is gold paper, they come and they put it on some type of prayer thing.
Wat Pho is one of Bangkok's oldest temples. The original name was Wat Mangkhalaram. The name refers to the monastery of the Bodhi tree in Bodh Gaya, India, where Buddha is believed to have attained enlightenment. This place is 80,000 square meters.
Okay, so interested for a guide is one person, 300 baht for two beginners. Tonight I'm coming back to see this temple in the night, and yeah, it's supposed to be nicer and quieter. The Reclining Buddha temple inside is closed at night, so if you want to see it during the day, it's much more understandable.
It has more than 1,000 Buddha images, as well as one of the largest single Buddha image at 46 meters in length. This place is considered the crown jewel of Bangkok, Thailand. There is no words to describe it. The details here are amazing. Just walking around is like incredible experience. The gold-plated reclining Buddha is a 46 meter long and 15 meters high. This place attracts a lot of tourism. If you get tired walking because it's gonna take you like a couple of hours, you can always have a massage. Just for you to know, you cannot fly the drone here. They won't allow it. My friend tried, he was denied. If you love traditional Thai massage, this is the place. You can even learn it here. It's a little bit painful, but once it's done, you'll feel renovated. Buddha is a bit quieter. I'm liking it more. Simpler than the Grand Palace. Less people and just as pretty. Remember, here you have to have your knees and shoulders covered. They have a little strict dress code. If you don't have them, you can always buy them outside or you can get them while entering. This place is open daily from 8 to 6 p.m. After the Grand Palace, I'm happy to have come here. It is just next to it. It will take you like few minutes walking to reach it.